Hello friends, today my work Realme Power off not work. This phone Realme C55 Realme all device Oppo all device power not working, power working but power off option not so. Realme RMX 3710 this phone. First try power off, no, try abar again, no, again try 3 times, try again but power option not show. So go to setting and power button, press hold power menu button option. This option selected all Android smartphone same resolution. Power menu, click power menu. Okay, voice assistance changing power menu. Okay, simple setting systems but power off. Okay, bye.